Welcome to my 1992 Toyota Itasca Spirit. Check out the custom upholstery and cabinetry over on the left side there. We'll take a look at that in a minute. I want you to appreciate these cellular two-way shades that replaced the aluminum mini blinds that were there that were loud during travel. These lock into place at the bottom and they're super quiet, very easy to move up and down. That's the sleeping area and the cab up that way, which we'll look at in a bit. Here's the kitchen. I replaced the 4-burner stove with a 2-burner propane stove and took out the propane oven in favor of this electric microwave, which I ran off of the solar electric system. Over on this side, we have a all-electric apartment-sized fridge, 7.4 cubic foot. That replaced the propane and electric, very small fridge that was there. All this custom cabinetry is about storage. I had a toaster oven on this drawer, which I called my solar oven because it was running off the solar electric system. That cupboard at the very bottom just gives you a little peek at one of the 20-gallon fresh water tanks. That's an upgrade from the 10-gallon tank that was there. The other 20-gallon tank is right below those two drawers that I just showed you there. Here's the couch. The fold-out couch was removed and in favor, again, of more storage. There's a piece of plywood with high-density foam on top of it. Let's take a look at the bathroom. You can see I took out the bathroom sink since I was living by myself and I already had the kitchen sink. And then all the plumbing is there under that black bucket, which I used for number 2 because emptying sewage is gross. I just installed this high-profile Aquamagic toilet with a foot pedal flush. Never been used. Here's the shower. I also replaced the shower faucets, so there's no leaks there. And you see that wooden rod that goes across the shower? I hung my clothes on that because there's shelves in the closet, which you'll see in a second here. There's a custom medicine cabinet, and I hung my jewelry on the inside of the door there. Here's that closet with all the shelving. Plenty of storage for full timing or just going on a long trip. Okay, let's check out the sleeping area. Look at that blackout curtain. And that's my full-size mattress, which, sorry, doesn't come with the RV, but just a standard full-size mattress, not RV custom or anything. More custom upholstery here on the bucket seats. There's the steering with the Overdrive. And there you have it. That's the inside tour.